Hi everyone, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. So glad that you tuned in today. I wanted to share with you some of the wreath ideas that I've been working on. I'm trying to get ready for a craft show that will be taking place in the beginning of November. So I have been busy crafting, and this is one of the wreaths that I made. This one right here happens to be a 24-inch wreath form, and I'm calling this my silver bell wreath. And as you can see, I've added a lot of pine cones and berries to it. Added in some silver bells. And then a couple of really pretty bows and ornaments and so forth to it. But this is one of the things that I have lined up for Christmas. And I'm going to go ahead and take you to the next room and show you another one that I'm working on, and I will be sharing probably about 10 different wreath ideas in this video, so you'll probably want to watch it to the end. And I'm not going to do the usual DIY tutorials. Right now I'm trying to get prepared for this arts and crafts show, so I've fallen behind, and I'm just going to show you some really quick pictures of them. Well, this right here I'm actually going to be keeping for myself. I actually took one of those Dollar Tree candy cane forms and made the letters J and Y, and then put a wreath in the center. And this was one of them that I did. It's on here, and on this wreath I just added some black and white check, and then of course the little red truck. I love the little red truck theme. And last year I did the red and black buffalo theme, and I couldn't make up my mind because black and white is so popular this year. So I just mixed it up and added both of them together, and that's what I came up with. But I thought that turned out nicely. And on that Y, the Y over here is actually two of the wreath forms, and I'm going to drop in some photographs. I just split one of them in half and then bent over the wires to make that, and then that's just ribbon. That's like the red and black buffalo plaid, and then the black and white. And I took one, you can wrap it all the way around, and then take the other and just cut it up in strips and hot glue it on there. Added a bow. You can add flowers, and in this case I added the little berries and the little cotton and the Christmas tree branch. But you can just play around with it and do whatever matches your decor. But those are a few of them. And then after this I'm just going to show you some different pics of the other wreaths that I've constructed. This one is known for the holidays, and it turned out quite well. But it's got the red and white candy cane striped ribbon, green ribbon, and of course some green and red plaid. I added some berries in it. I did the usual basic mesh wreath, and then on top of it I went and added one of the little greenery wreath forms that you can pick up at most any craft store. And then I found a cute little sign and added to it, and then just made some bows and put on that.